Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about the Trading123 Volume Delta Indicator here for NinjaTrader 8. And we're trading the ES on July 30th, 2020. And the market's been in a wide range here in the month of July. We got a lot going on in the world, a lot of news moving the market up and down. And so the ES has been in some big 10 to 20 put range days. So plenty of opportunity to make some coin. And here we use the volume delta and we look for high prints. As you see, the dark red prints here basically it's when sellers are in control and everybody's bailing on the market here. So the software automatically identifies the high prints and paints it a dark red. So it prints a high print here of 462, and then the market starts to take out the lows and sell off with more additional high sell prints as we go down. We don't worry about these little green prints here because the Renko bar is not green, so you stay short as long as the Renko bar is red and you see these big prints here, and you ride it all the way down. Just trail your stop, and you see more selling accelerates as it gets lower and lower. Get some buyers here, but the Renko bar is not green, so you got to wait for the Renko bar to close. And it sells off, 6 to 10 point potential profits. And then we get a big print here over 300, 356. We get a green Renko bar, second green Renko bar. Time to cover, take your gains. And that's one hell of a trade in the ES. This is the most powerful indicator out there for trading the ES. So if you trade the ES, we want to be using the volume delta. This indicator does not work on the NQ or YM because they don't get the big volume prints. It works on the CL and the ES the best. Out of all of them, I would say the ES, you look for these big high volume prints. It's taken out a low, you go short, ride it down until you see the green Renko bar and a green high print, and that's the way you do it, and the patterns repeat. And now we'll look at a long trade and see what the long trade looks like. So that was a nice short trade going into the 9:45, 10 o'clock hour. Then we got a reversal here. Later in the day, in a morning session, right around 10:50. So basically, the long trades work the opposite of the short trades. You get a high buy print down here at the low, over 500 here. So it triggers this box here for the volume delta to turn green, dark green. And there's your candle. And once the price covers over the high of this candle, you go long the next bar as long as it's green. And then here we move up, steady buying on the way up as it goes higher. You got big buyers here, so you're good to go. You're making money. More buyers come in, it keeps going higher. And then we get a little sell off here, but it's still not a sell yet. We got some profit taking. And then the buying continues because your stop wouldn't have been taken out yet here. And the buying continues and it goes higher. I mean, some newbie traders maybe would have got out here, but it's a strong uptrend. there's only one bar of sellers here, and then this stayed at the same level. So if you're trailing your stop by 8 or 10 ticks, you still would have been in it. And up it goes, 5 to 12 point potential. It goes up higher here, higher, higher, higher. More buyers come in as it goes up. More buyers. There's these little bit of sellers here, but you got to look at the candle bars. Candle bars are still green. So as long as they're green, green is money. And up we go. And then we get a big sell print here, but the trend is still up. And then right here in this first red bar, we get a sell print of over 1,000. So that is phenomenal. When you see something like that, it's time to, don't even hesitate. Take your money and go. So the average sell print would be like something over 500 you would look to get out. When you see something over 1,000, that means everyone's jumping off the boat. They're getting out of Dodge, taking their money, calling it a day, and they're done trading. They'll come back and repeat. So that's how the Trading123 volume delta works for the ES. And with these wide range days, you have plenty of time to wait for a big high print and avoid all the chop. People email me and say, well, you only show charts that, just have these perfect setups. Well, yeah, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for the high print. And when you get a high print at a low, or you get a high print at a high, that's when, this would have been a short right here you could have entered. And that's what you look for. And so you would avoid the chop. And then, this is a breakout reversal going higher, and up it went. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our social media accounts on YouTube here, Twitter and Facebook. Be safe out there. We'll see you in the next video. Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.